Well, hello there, and welcome back to Lorrie's World. I am Lorrie, and I am coming to you from the Oregon coast. So this is just going to be a quick video update to let you know how things are progressing on my immigration journey. So as you all know, legal immigration is possible, um, but it does have certain steps that you have to follow. There are certain things that you have to do. And the easiest way to become not legal is to not do the things that they ask you to do. So that being said, one of the things that they ask of you is biometrics. So that is another hurdle that I have crossed. A couple days ago, Dave and I took the drive up to Portland to the assistant's office where I was photographed and had my fingerprints taken, and they got a copy of my signature. So now, again, it's a waiting and seeing. I am at this point currently valid for 3 years. They've given me 3 years to get this paperwork fixed before I face any kind of repercussions. So thank you, God, for that. God and the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement people. I do appreciate that they've trusted me and given me that time. It shouldn't take that long. It's been super quick. First thing I did was come down and file my I-90, which is the application for a missing or expired PR card, which is your permanent resident card, which is your green card. Mine is white. Anyway, I digress. But yeah, so things are moving along in that aspect. We also made the trip today over to the Social Security office to get our banking information changed so that our checks can actually come to our accounts down here. And we're one step closer to being able to wrap things up in Canada. We also, more big news, we have an accepted offer on the house. So fingers crossed. Of course, that's a tax nightmare and a headache waiting to happen. And, if we get half of our money out of it, we'll be happy. The Canadian government is looking for every penny that they can get for any reason that they can get it. So we'll see what happens. It was a good offer. That's why we accepted it. And we're quite happy with where things sit right now. But it's going to be a few months before everything is processed. It's contingent on the inspection. We're not expecting that they'll find anything too drastic. I mean, we've taken pretty good care of the place. So, yeah, it should all be good, but I will keep you all posted on that too. And I'm just going to say goodbye because this is just going to be a quick video to update you on how things are going in my world. And yeah, I'm hoping we get some nice weather again. I'm about ready to get down to the beach and take some walks with my GoPro along the beach and let you guys see what that's all like, and maybe some around the neighborhood. I've been walking, so that's a good thing. Anyway, love you all. I'll see you soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.